friend Rainbow Huggy, we had a hurricane hit us last night. Hurricane Helene, I'm pretty sure. Is that what it's called? Yeah. Well, that hurricane hit us, and yeah, it got a few people. So, alright, I'm back. So, don't know who put that egg up, but yeah, so leave a like, subscribe. Good luck if this second hurricane, I think John, hits us. So leave a like for us, please. Subscribe. If I die, at least I know you guys subscribed. Peace out. Wait, no, before I do that, I'm going to show you guys how it looks outside. Look how destroyed it got. That's insane. So, did you see how it looked outside? If you didn't, you can replay. Look up close if you want. So, can you leave a like for us? Just for us, please. Just for me, family. I want to make you all happy. Make you all happy. Every single one of you. Even if I don't make you happy, at least I tried, right? What is that? I don't know what that is. Okay, so how about just some plain? Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like for us, subscribe. So, peace out. Bye. Oh, okay. I'll just put the egg here and bye. Bye. Take Rainbow Huggy's face. Take my face. Nom 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 nom. I said nom 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 nom.